So what will the new normal look like? I am joined by Jeffrey Flaks, the president and CEO of Hartford Healthcare. Welcome. I know we've seen a lot of innovation come out of this, but what do you think the new normal will be, or should we even go back to normal?
You know, Kara, I really appreciate you asking that question. I've been speaking since the beginning of this crisis in many ways that our ambition is not to return to the normal. And so often people are talking about getting back to normal, and in many ways we need to, but not in healthcare. We've had so many innovations, so many advancements. I look at things like telehealth and our video health. We're caring for 3,000 to 4,000 people a day now, and we're able to increase access all hours of the day. We're able to do things with cultural sensitivities. We're able to expand our services to regions who normally don't have access to certain services. So that's a great advancement. I don't want to return that to the normal. Similarly, I look at our staff members who are now able to bring families from near and far into the care setting for their loved ones, and our staff are engaging with them, and we're able to create a much more accessible environment. I don't want to see that return to the normal. So there's so many, countless examples. I look at the way we're introducing new medications and new clinical trials. We're doing it with much accelerated processes. Again, we should learn from that, and we should continue to work, much more aggressively in that regard. So we're going to be better than normal when this all ends.
All right, that's a good goal. Now, we know the healthcare workers are superheroes. They're on the front lines. And starting today, there's a new fund to help them. And we should say in advance, Happy Nurses Appreciation Week, which starts next week.
Absolutely.
So this new fund, tell me about this, starts May 1st. It's actually for hardships, and some of your workers can even apply.
Yeah, so first of all, Nurses Week starts Monday, and we celebrate it every year. This year in particular is the 200th anniversary of Florence Nightingale's birth. Oh. So this is a wonderful opportunity to celebrate Nurses Week, and we've never seen, perhaps ever before, how important and essential nursing is to our society, to our culture, to caring for us. We're in greatest need. So there's going to be wonderful celebrations next week, and we all look forward to taking part in that. Very important to do. The fund that you're referencing is we put together a Hartford Health Cares Fund, and we've taken $3 million and we've put it in place because so many people in our communities and people who work for us, their families are being impacted at so many different levels. So we've created a fund that will allow people who have need and can demonstrate need for things like paying utility bills, rent payments, housing bills, car payments, things where they've been impacted as a result of COVID-19, that we can put monies aside to help them and their family during this process. So, we can't do enough to support everyone working on the front lines, but this will be just but one more thing we can do to help people during this time.
Absolutely. I know there's a link on your website to help donate, and also we're proud to announce the Denise Foundation for Denise DeCenzo has also donated $5,000 to help get some new scrubs. We look forward to covering all those good things for you next week. In the meantime, thank your staff and thank them for being strong.
We will do. Thank you so much.